Hey everyone, welcome to our second installment for Ricoh Personal Paper Document Manager. And this is a software I actually use in my home office and at work, but it gives me the ability to do markups, highlights, redactions, just a variety of different things I can do with a PDF document. So right now I've got a PDF document up on the screen. And you'll notice I'm going to move my mouse over a few of these tabs up here. One is the home, the edit, the view, and the comment. Right now I'm going to concentrate on the comment tab and also the highlight button. So on the highlight button, we'll also see a drop arrow. In that drop arrow, we can highlight an area or we can highlight text. First thing I want to do is show you how to highlight an area. We're going to click it. We're going to have a bunch of different colors that we can show here. For right now, I'm going to select yellow. And then I want to go over here to the right. You'll see our cursor turns into a cross. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a box. Hold down the mouse key, let go, and now we've highlighted that area. We'll do a second one over here. And now we've highlighted that area also. And let's say we want to highlight a certain area of text. Now, some documents, depending upon, I guess, if they were OCR'd, they will allow you to hover the mouse over an area. So as you can see, I've got it hovered over here, and then I'm just going to drag the mouse. So for this particular image, it's not going to do that. So I'm going to go to another area where there's an image or text. It's not there. And I'm going to move over to this document. So what I'm thinking here is because, and this is a good lesson, if it's an image, if the entire PDF is an image, it's not going to allow us to actually highlight, just drag and highlight that space. So for that, I'll go back to highlight area, and then I can get my point across by just drawing a small box and highlighting that area. Now the second thing I'd like to show you is how to add text or type on the document, which is actually pretty cool because sometimes you maybe want to put in a date, you might want to put in a promo, you might want to put in some additional specs on a brochure. So I'm going to go to Edit. As you see, Edit, there's a bunch of tools here. I'm going to go over to Typewriter. I'm going to highlight Typewriter. And as I move the cursor down, you'll see the cursor change to that, what you see, that I formation. So if I highlight, then you'll see the button come up. So what I just put in here is I put in a price, but it's very, very small. So what I can do is I can go back over it, right-click on my mouse, and go to Properties. And from here, I can change a bunch of things in the text. So I can change the font. I could change the size. So let's say I want to go to 14-point size. I want to make it a little bit bigger. I'll go to 30. And then once I go to here, I can also change the color of the type that I have on the page. Then I can make it bold, and then I click outside the box. And it doesn't look too good on this one. I'd probably put in maybe a different color, but please remember that I'm putting text over a darker background. If I were to take that text and go to a white background, which would be over to the right hand side, I'm going to use my typewriter tool again. I'm just going to click anywhere and just type in. This is a great copier. I'm going to drag my mouse, yeah, I'm doing a real good demonstration here, right? There you go. So when you see that blue box, you've captured that area. And I'm going to go to inside that box now. Now I'm going to drag it. Now I'm going to go to Properties. And then I'm going to increase that portion of the text that I wrote. As you'll see here, I left out the little R, so I would have to go back and highlight that and make it larger. But again, this is just demonstration purposes. I want to show you that I can also move the text anywhere on the page. So I can take it and I can put it over here if I like, or I can add another box over on the right hand side. So that's just a quick demonstration of how to highlight in Ricoh Personal Paper Document Manager and how to add text in Ricoh Personal Paper Document Manager. Thank you very much.